As an archipelagic country, the complex land sea distribution and topography make predicting high impact events in Indonesia is challenging. Analyzing data over land and ocean near Indonesian water will improve understanding of extreme weather phenomena and their relationship with global and regional impact. Obviously, ocean observations are crucial in weather, tropical cyclone research and prediction because they can examine the details of the air-sea interaction process that led to the formation and intensification of this system. Additionally, ocean observations are increasingly viewed by forecasting community as a critical part of improving extreme weather forecasts. BMKG-OFS consists of three primary components, which is Ocean Wave Model, Ocean Circulation Model, and Coastal Dynamic Model. Ocean Wave Model is named as INA wave that is used to support sea wave information. Ocean Circulation Model is named INA flows, used to support current, salinity, and sea temperature information at every depth, while Coastal Dynamic Model to support object trajectory, sea level, and coastal inundation. BMKG Ocean Forecast System or OFS is a meteorology oceanography modeling system used to support forecast information about sea waves, sea current, salinity, and sea temperature for the community. This development of BMKG OFS is a form of attempt to fulfill community needs in various sectors such as sea transportation, fisheries, mining and energy, marine tourism, industry and maritime services, small island area resources, research, and etc. This is the example of OFS product. First, sea current, sea temperature, and salinity. INA waves model is a development from the third generation of spectral wave or WaveWatch 3 that is coupled with wave modeling in shallow sea or near shore model. WaveWatch 3 runs automatically in two data initial model cycle, that is time 00 and 12. The following are the model configuration that is used using Asia-Australia domain with resolution half degrees, and then for Indonesia domain with resolution 1/8 degrees. The model that used to develop prediction system and analysis of sea current in Indonesia is Finite Volume Community Ocean Model or FVCOM. FVCOM is developed using unstructured grid that is suitable to be applied for ocean in coastal region, archipelago, and estuary. The result of sea current 3-dimension baroclinic prediction model and analysis, which is procured from numerical modeling using FVCOM model, also integrated with geographic information web system. So it is more informative supporting application can be available to support BMKG operational necessity. We also using the model for coastal inundation from coupled wave hydrodynamics model by nested WaveWatch 3 and SWAN, and also coupled Delft 3D flow and SWAN. This is for tide, storm surge, and wave information. Then we integrated Delft 3D views and Sobek model for coastal Indonesian map output. Risk assessment should be include individual analysis of risk factor alongside and informed by the historical impact assessment for each hazard of interest. The impact assessment can focus and guide the data collection and collection on risk dimension like vulnerability, exposure, and coping capacity. In many cases, risk assessment used a combination of objective and subjective methods. Consequently, data on different risk dimensions often begin as qualitative and develop iteratively. As more data and feedback from users and partners is made available, the assessment becomes more quantitative. Producing an objective assessment of risk will be challenging due to factors that affect the quality and robustness of information used throughout the process, including how data is collected, what is data is available, how data is processed, what assumptions have been made in weather and climate models. BMKG collaborate with partners for develop impact-based forecast, and we must identify who will be used the forecast and warning. Users of forecast and warning are found often within organizations involved in disaster risk reduction, crisis management, disaster response, or any organization. Because we realize that potential users of impact-based forecast and warning are diverse, it is not often possible to develop a forecast or warning which will satisfy of all their requirements. Often users will require impact-based forecast and warning services be tailored to be specific challenge they are trying to address. Risk maps are an effective way of combining forecast hazard, vulnerability, and exposure data into an easy-to-interpret visual aid. A risk matrix plots the level of impact against the likelihood of impacts occurring. To build a risk matrix, BMKG along with partner organizations need to identify hazard with impact the affect organization or the member of the public who and what is exposed and vulnerable to hazard impacts, magnitude or level of impacts that affect at-risk population or assets. Here an example of impact-based forecast information from BMKG. We collaborate with another organization and relate stakeholders to develop the useful information. Then we can formulate the risk score based on data. A risk matrix can be useful communication tool for users who understand risk. However, a risk matrix can be misleading to anyone who does not understand risk assessment. All impact-based forecast and warning should contain similar type of information, including time and date of expected impact, location of impact, severity and likelihood of impact, type of impact, hazard information, and also advice and guidance on what action to take. This is the end of our slides and thank you for your attention.